Chapter 2, Technical Achievements by the Army. The technical achievements of the Army. The Army serves as a key role for the leader support of the technological advances as direct result of the research development and efforts procurement of the activities military force civilian population have received enormous benefits. For instance, if you drink a cup of freezing dried coffee or use a low lead or lead free gasoline, use of the product developed for the major assistance of the Army from the Army. Although the products were initially developed in the military application, they also have been found widespread in use and acceptance for the commercial sector. The Army was early to recognize the beneficial signification of aviation to our nation. This is not surprising that the Wright brothers sold their first airplane to the Army. That the first American satellite was orbited in the Army. The first American astronaut scientific payloads flew on the Army missiles, and the first astronaut landing on the moon and U.S. lunar maps plotted by the Army topographers. This here is the United States. This is a figure 2-1, the United States patent. It goes of the microwave. It goes 54. I don't know what this is. It's just a figure. You see the microwave, power-driven test channel, product detector, low-pass filter, sweep generator, reference channel. In the Army Medical Corps for the pioneering efforts of the Major Walter Reed led the eradication of the yellow fever disease. A young Army doctor named Jonas Salk developed many influenza vaccines. As thousands of the products the Army developed had major in hand in developing, including the aerial photography, communication satellites, computers, telegraphic networks, long-range photography, photographic micrography, transistors, that's in communication, energy and conservation, biodegradable detergents, biodegradable of waste, gas turbine engines, high-powered batteries, hydraulic projects, hydroelectric products, low lead-free gasoline, mobile power generators, non-pollution combustion process, nuclear reactors, pollution control value, pollution sensors, industrial technology. The Army has developed the automated ultrasonic inspection. It also invented the first American engineering school, the improved lubricants, infrared detection instruments, new metals, alloys fabricated in buildings, radar, synthetic rubber, thermal detection instruments, x-rays, inspections, food and clothing, the fire resistant fabrics, flexible food packaging, food sterilizing, freeze dried food, mildew resistant fabrics, prepackaged metals, shrinkage resistant, prepackaged meals, shrinkage resistant fabrics, static electricity resistant fabrics, water resistant fabrics. In space, we had electric guidance systems done by the Army. First free world satellite by the Army. First successful lunar probe for the Army. Liquid and solid rock propellants, protective space clothing, recovery of live animal from the space, recovery of man-made objects from space, zone missiles, re-entry, heat problem, solutions, relief, moon maps in space, transportation, air cushion vehicles, Alaska Highway, automobile, antifreeze, aviation, landing systems, first transcontinental railroad, 500 harbors, helicopters, interstate highway specifications, Panama Canal, 20,000 miles of waterways, and medicine and public health. Aeromedical and evacuation, anthrax vaccine, antibacterial burn creams, anti-venom serums, artificial eyes, artificial limbs, blood preservation first, public health, statics for cure of the care of the gastroenterology, heart pump prevention, dentistry, rabies vaccine, smallpox vaccine, tranquilizers, traumatic surgery techniques, tuberculosis treatment, thyroid vaccine, venereal disease control, water chlorination, X-rays, and yellow fever controlled. The date of the technological discoveries and improvements have been awarded by the patent protection and recognition of the specific significant contribution advance of the significant achievements. These were all done by the Army. Title not used, paragraph not used, title type 2. This is being patented and school improved with a back arm rest. Okay? And you got your patent protection. I want to make a sell and use the patent's inventions. You see the valid patent. He's pulling on a rope, and there's a guy saying, "I want to use the patent, sell and use the patent's inventions." It's amazing when the patent is the preventing of the others from making the selling or using the invention. This is W's patent stool. So, chapter 3: What is a patent?